What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brian and today I have a new dance tutorial for you. So the title of this song is called Mood Swings by Pop Smoke. Okay, so let's go to the studio and start. Alright, let's start. So for this, all movements are very small, only this one is the biggest. Okay, so we go to your right. So open. So this one is you're hugging basically your body. Then 1. See, you're gonna put your weight to your right. 7 and 1. Then switching and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Push on 7, front 8. This is end. Okay, until here first. One more time, let's clarify the counting. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. You need to jump on 5 and 6, 7, 8. Then center. Next. So this is 8. Next, you're gonna go 1 and 2 in 3, side on 4, circle 5 and 6, back on 7, 8, down. You got it? Okay, no, for sure now. Let's start from the beginning, from the top. So straight to 8, but we do it slowly. So 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Jump on 5 and 6, 7, 8. Chest 1 and 2 in 3, 4. This one 5 and chest 6. Go set, we'll change. Set, bend. Up 8, drop on 1, 7, 8, 1. So 8, 1. Yes. Let's try again. Slowly. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1. So chest pop. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, back on 7, 8, 1. Okay, next. So next, after this, this is 1, 2. So let's clarify on the second 8. What's the second 8? So anyway, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, second 8. 1 and 2, down 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So this is 1, 2. So from 1, 2, you're gonna hit your shoulder. 3 and then you wait. So 1, 2, look back. 2, 3 and copy. Go 4, then 5. So this one is 5. Your block. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go 5. Lift on 6. So 4, down on 5, lift on 6. Lift on 6, up on 7, keep on 8. So we're gonna go 7, 8, and 1. Because we're gonna move to the right. So again, up, ta, ta, lift. So basically just ta, ta, hit it, ta, ta. You can just like leave it. Yes, like, or you can touch it, ta, ta. Okay, so let's try from here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Okay, let's clarify. So 1 and 2. It's hard to breathe. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down on 5, on 6. Hips on 7, 8, and 1. Yes, let's start from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, chest 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stop, we'll change. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Yes, don't forget that hips lift, down, then twist, cha-cha. Alright, so after this, 7, 8. Okay, so 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. 3, 4. So basically 2 counts, 2 counts. So 6, 7, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 3. So 3. One more time. So 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3. So from N, 3, 4. This is 5, 6. Wave on 7, 8, and 1. Step up on 2. From here, like 2. Step up on 2. Step up on 2. 2. One more time. No need to bend too much. Just step back. Yes, that's right. So 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 10. Then step. Okay, let's start from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Stop. 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Ha, ha, wait, ha, up, that, walk. Yes. So after this, 5, 6, 7, 8, ta-da. Then just walk on 1, 2, go 3, and dip on 4. Okay, simple as that. So left, right, then left hips, right hips, then dip. Oh, then close here. So the count here, it goes like this. 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, and 4. 6, 3, 3, and 4. 5, 6. Alright, 6. Copy? No problem. You're gonna go set, bend, hit on 8. Up on set, bend, hit on 8. So I don't know if you can see, shoulder is going in like that. Then my hips. Oh, I don't have underwear. Hips. Okay, let's try it. So 7, 8, 1, 2, hip on 3, and 4, 5, 6, lift, 7, 8, and yes. Let's combine from here. This is 5. What count is this? 7, 8, and 1, 2. Ta-ta. Ha, ha. 7, 8, and 1. Ta, ta, ta. 6, ta, ta. Lift and kick. Ha. I don't know the count. Let's start from the beginning. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slow. 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, away, 5, 6, lift, hold change, 1, stop, 3, and hop, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1. Drop 2. Yes. So next we pick up on this is 1, right? So 7, 8, 1, walk 2, 3, 4. This is 5, and what's the count? 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Lift on 7, 8, and continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move back. So 5, 6, and 7. So 4, 5, 6, and 7. This one 8. So this one they basically 8. Open 8. Okay. So 8. 8. Maybe see one hand. 7, 8. Yeah, one hand. Let's combine now from here. 8, go 1, 2, kill on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, open on 8. Then 8 cross 1, 2. Simple as. Let's combine from here. So 7, 8, and 1, 2. So jab. I count this 4. Ha. Hop. Cross and up. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Lift 7, 8, and 1, 2. Stop 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then touch it and touch it. So this one is continuous going down. Touch it and touch it. Yes. Good job. Let's try from the beginning. Ready? Smile. You cannot see. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Stop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 1, 2, yes, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Stop. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, tap. Anyway, just the last part. Let's try again from the beginning, all of it. Okay? So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Hips and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Stop. 3, 4, 5. Stop. 7, 8. 1, 2. Na. Ad lib. Yeah! Congratulations! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that we made today. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment on our video. Okay? Bye-bye. We'll see you next time.